Hello, it is Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
Welcome to Burg Adeck,
which was built to defend against the Katzenelnbogen,
which in our best German means cat's elbows. Let's check it out. This small yet impressive fortress is located on a hilltop next to the town of Holzheim. It was built by the Counts of Dietz at the end of the 14th century to protect against the lords of Katzenelnbogen, which are of course not literal cat's elbows. The castle of Adeck would serve as a center of power for the lords of Dietz during the 15th century.
This polygonal, irregularly rectangular ring of walls encloses the plateau on the edge of the steep rocky slopes. The vulnerable approach side to the east was protected with a thick shield wall and two towers, one of which is hexagonal, surprisingly enough. It is covering the entrance to the castle.
Inside the castle we see large window openings providing ample natural light to its residents. It could very well be that some of these were created at a later time. In the center of the courtyard, the remains of a buried, vaulted cellar are also visible.
We usually talk about the interior of castles, though sometimes the exterior can be quite surprising. The ring wall and tower are adorned with friezes beneath the battlements. With outstanding views over the valley from the base of the walls, we can only imagine how incredible it must be from the top. It's quite surprising how much of this castle is still standing. The walls measure several meters high, but The most impressive part is surely the large tower at the southwestern tip of the plateau. This slender tower is only 5.6 meters wide and stands 18 meters tall. It's named Eckip or Bergfried in German, though calling it that might be a slight overstatement due to its modest dimensions. Its main purpose was probably more as a watchtower, able to observe the valley below.
Sadly, we can't climb the tower, there are no stairs, and the vaults on the 2nd and 5th floor show that the ladder was most likely used to climb up. Luckily, we're in the presence of our flying friend Orca FPV. These shots weaving in and out of the castle are simply stunning, and you can head over to his channel for more of the same. A link is in the description. After the family died out in 1727, the castle was no longer inhabited and fell into disrepair. Though it was used as a quarry by the local population, we're happy to see they were kind enough not to dismantle it completely. Arbitrary subjective castle score time. I'm gonna say a 7.5. What do you think?
I'm going to say an 8.5.
Why?
Well, I just like it. I don't need a why.
Alright.
Here's a puppy!
Leave your score in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.
And like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.